Historically, guys, this time of year, first 2 weeks of August, is the hottest time of year based on averages. And right now, the extended forecast reflects that. Temperatures are going to be trending way above normal through this upcoming week. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we're looking at highs right around 100 to 101. Let's take a look at this right here, a little graphic that shows the hottest time of year between July 30th and August 16th. That's when our average highs max out at 97 degrees. And I think by later this week, again, we'll be above that mark. We're forecasting highs because of a large ridge of high pressure over Texas in the lower 100s by the end of this week, which we'll show you in just a little bit. First, radar a little active across the hill country earlier this evening and this afternoon. Now the rain is situated to our west down Highway 90. Now with the loss of daytime heat, temperatures cooling off for the next couple hours, a lot of this thunderstorm activity will wane down. It'll diminish. We're not expecting much overnight. You can see as we zoom in between Hondo, Uvalde, Savinaw, Batesville, a couple of pretty large thunderstorms, non-severe, producing occasional lightning and some claps of thunder east and southeast of Uvalde, north of La Pryor, again between Highway 90 and Highway 57. Not much action in Del Rio or Campwood. It's right in this area where I think, again, a lot of this activity will begin to really weaken with the loss of heating and temperatures cooling down overnight into the upper 70s. You can see future radar showing quiet skies. Tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., middle to upper 70s, pretty warm in the overnight, mostly clear conditions expected tomorrow. But watch what happens by 4 and 5 p.m. One or two showers will pop up, not as active on the radar tomorrow compared to this evening. But again, there is a small chance at rain right now, running at 10 to 20% at best for your Monday forecast. 87 feels like 90. It is a very humid night to wrap up the first weekend of August. East winds not helping much, running at 5 miles an hour. Here's your timeline for tomorrow. Temperature 78 at 7. Sunrise around 6:56. Sundown around 8:23 tomorrow night. A mostly clear and hot day is expected to kick off the new work week. Now, our forecast primarily influenced by high pressure, as it always is in the summertime. Now, thankfully, we've had tropical systems and clouds in the last couple of weeks, but now the high pressure dome, the cooker in the atmosphere, is going to move farther east over Texas. What that's going to do is really crank up our temperatures. And remember, it's the hottest time of year, so this reflects that. 101 on Wednesday, 102 Thursday, even up to 103 on Saturday. Wouldn't be surprised if some areas around San Antonio reach 104 to maybe 105 later on towards the weekend as high pressure really moves right over the Lone Star State. Okay, now Hurricane Debbie. As of the 10 p.m. advisory from the Hurricane Center, it has upgraded to a Category 1. Winds at 75 miles an hour. You can see a lot of soaking tropical bands of rain right over Tampa, north and northeast Florida. The entire peninsula getting a lot of heavy rain. It's going to remain Category 1 at least for the next 12 to 24 hours as it moves inland. Now remember, it's surrounded by water. You have the Gulf of Mexico, you have the Atlantic. This will move a lot of rainfall to the Carolinas and southeast Georgia over the next 2 to 3 days. Forecast for San Antonio, 98 tomorrow, 99 Tuesday. We're looking at a lot of heat Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Spotty activity by the end of the week, but dangerous heat weather impact alerts from Wednesday to Saturday for temperatures well over 100 degrees here in San Antonio.